Hey Professor, Shane Cooke here, and here are my supplies. Here we have a couple batteries, some tape, my magnets, my coated wire, some paper clips, and then some wire cutters and wire strippers. Here's step one for my motor. I'm going to take my copper wire and wrap it around my battery 10 times. I have it all gathered up. I'm going to take the longer end and stick it through a couple times so that it stays. I have now cut both of these sides so that they're equal length, just longer than my battery. And it's hard to see, but I used my knife to shave down just the bottom side of each of them so that the copper shows. Now I have taped 2 paper clips vertically onto the positive and negative side of my battery, and also so now that these holes are at the same height for when it holds the copper wire. Alright, so here's my mini motor. I get it spinning. So here my motor is spinning freely with the magnets around the battery. It's actually spinning pretty fast. So now I'm going to reduce the number of coils in here and see what happens. Right, here's my small motor with only 5 rings. See if we can get it to work. So I don't know what it is with this one, but I have it the same magnets, the same orientation, but I can feel it wanting, I can feel some sort of buzz in the magnetic field in it, but it seems to want to stay in one position. The wire almost seems attracted to the magnet rather than to it cause spinning. I've tried troubleshooting this different ways. I've tried peeling off more of the covering so that it has more copper showing, so more copper is touching the paper clip. You can see it's starting to kind of move when the magnet's very close, so you can see it kind of shimmering. This way helps. It's slightly moving with the help of the magnet. So yeah, more problem with the smaller amount of rings, but even with the 10 rings, it took me a couple tries to actually get it to keep spinning. I had to shave more of this off. Also, I had to keep raising and lowering these paper clips to make sure they're the same heights and that there's no interference below this hitting the battery. There's my video. Thank you for watching.